Why is good night's sleep so important? What can you do if you're struggling to get your 8 hours a night? Studies have shown that a good night's sleep plays a crucial role in helping to protect our physical and mental health. It supports healthy growth and development, heals and repairs our body, improves learning, and improves our immune function. Poor sleep can result in a variety of problems. It is linked to obesity. People who get a good night's sleep tend to consume fewer calories. It has an impact on concentration, memory, and performance. It's believed that sleep-deprived individuals are at a greater risk of suffering from chronic diseases, including heart disease, and long-term inflammatory issues of the digestive tract. Those sleeping less than 6 hours a night are also believed to be at an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, poor sleep quality and duration is linked to mental health issues such as depression, and may reduce your social skills. Good sleep plays a vital role in our overall health. If you're not getting enough sleep, here are some tips you can research to try to improve the duration and quality of your sleep. Tara Venn, a registered dietitian, recommends these sleep-enhancing foods. Drink chamomile tea as it contains apigenin, which may promote sleepiness. Apigenin is also found in passion flower tea, so try either of these two. Almonds are next on her list, as a source of melatonin, a sleep-regulating hormone, and magnesium, a mineral that may help sleep quality. High content of melatonin is also found in tart cherry juice. If you like turkey, this one is for you. It contains tryptophan, which increases the production of melatonin, and coupled with protein, this could be your recipe for better sleep. Leave enough time to digest these foods. For increased benefits, consume them 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. What you should be trying to avoid late in the afternoon or in the evening is caffeine, spicy foods like curry, sugary and salty snacks like chocolate, ice cream, and crisps, and cheese and preserved meats like ham and bacon, as these contain high levels of tyramine, an amino acid which makes us feel alert. Alcohol should also be avoided as it alters melatonin production, and leads to disrupted sleep patterns. Aside from food, the following can also help you with improving quality and duration of your sleep. According to the National Institutes of Health, exercise is one of the best ways to improve your sleep. Studies have shown that exercise had more benefits on people with severe insomnia than most medications. Because of its stimulatory effect though, exercising too late in the day is not recommended. Increasing your daily sunlight or artificial bright light exposure is likely to aid you in improving your sleep quality, duration, and reducing the time it takes you to fall asleep. Exposure to electrical lighting in the evening, on the other hand, has the opposite effect. It strongly suppresses melatonin signaling and disrupts the body's biological signal of night. What you might also be trying to avoid is long and irregular naps during the day, as studies have shown that taking long daytime naps can negatively affect our sleep quality. Going to bed and waking up at the same time may also help you with achieving quality sleep, as irregular sleep patterns can alter our body rhythm, resulting in poor sleep. Get your bedroom ready for sleep. As well as getting a comfortable mattress and a pillow, noise, lights, temperature, and furniture arrangement all play part in trying to achieve quality sleep. Your bedroom should be a relaxing, clean and quiet place you enjoy. Try to relax before going to bed. Try some of the relaxation techniques like taking a bath, meditating, reading a book, or listening to relaxing music. Make these part of your bedtime routine and see which one works for you. Most importantly, if you continue to struggle achieving good quality sleep, you may want to consult your healthcare provider to rule out any underlying health conditions. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.